to change my shoes? Have I sent them any dinner? I could have done. I just decided to wear a different pair of shoes like half an hour before it came on. But you see, I've got a skunk box, that's probably not helpful. Oh, apparently it's gone out from... Oh, well, I don't care then. Cool. Excellent. Oh, yeah. So I've gone right back to... I used to gig on my own before these lovely chaps and chapesses came into my life, and I sort of went around the country doing little 50-seater venues and chucking everything in the back of the car. And this was a cover that I did back then. Probably from lack of confidence, I did a lot of covers. But I just wanted to bring it back because I'm a lover of Motown. So I'll just do it. It's all for a joke. I went like that when I was a Catholic. And I started paying loads of money for the heating. Don't know why that went. You know sunshine when she's home. It's not warm when she's away. You know sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone. Anytime she goes through. Until this time when she wonder if she's going to stay. change.